Hey Rachel, my name is Tara Panashuk and I love showing easy and fun DIY ideas for all the seasons on my account, The Magnolia Mercantile. If you are not good at keeping real plants alive like myself and want the realistic look of faux plants, I'm going to show you a simple and easy trick right now. So you're going to take your liquid glue and pour into your vase to give that illusion of water. Next you're going to take your faux greenery or floral stems and just spread them out a little bit and stick right into the liquid glue and place how you'd like. It looks great and you don't need to worry about keeping them alive. Now this will take about 2 weeks for it to dry, so set somewhere where you know it won't be knocked over, and then you have the illusion of water at the bottom of your vase and you can enjoy your faux stems all year long.